Hey guys, my name is Freedom. Now I have a piece of strawberry and I'm going to show you how to perform a 3D scan. A 3D scanning just by using the Revopoint Pop 2 3D scanner. So start from now, I'm going to show you the step by step. My Revopoint Pop 2 scanner already set up and already plugged in into the USB. And now I'm going to open the Revo 3D software. Then I click New Project. The file name, I'm going to name this as strawberry 01. Alright, strawberry is okay. Then I click New. And now you can see I already set up the turntable. First, I'm going to set the exposure to auto. Then I perform the color scanning. Next, I'm going to put this strawberry on the turntable. I'll put it at the center. Then, next I'm going to just put a few dices just near the strawberry so that it can increase the accuracy. Then, next I'm going to move my camera. Just let my camera focus more. And then the scanning distance I can adjust so that I won't see this background. Right. Then, as long as already set up, I can just click Start. Now you can see it is performing the 3D scanning. I just let it to turn a few rounds until it finishes. Alright. Then I click Complete. Then I'm going to scan the second round. I just click plus a new scan. Then I'm going to turn the strawberry to turn it to another way because we need to scan both sides. Right, now I click Start again to just let it scan one more time for another side. Alright, once done already, just click Complete. Then, next we are going to perform the fusions. Just check one more time to make sure every of the point cloud are look well. Alright, it should be no problem. Then, we click the fusions. Then click the batch processing. Just select two of them. Then, under the advanced, click Apply. Now, it is fusing off the point cloud. Just wait for a while. Okay, one already completed. Just wait for another one. Right, all done, click OK. Now, next we are going to delete all of this unnecessary point cloud just by using this selection tool. Select, delete it. Some more. You have to delete all of this. For the bottom part, just turn it like this. Then select as usual, delete it. Now we just want this part. Next we do the same as another one. First just delete from here. Delete. The rest. Then it is at the bottom. Just delete it. And press delete. Now we just left the necessary parts. We are going to merge two of these scans. Just click merge, select all of this, then click feature, preview the alignment. Now you can see it almost merged together, but it is not accurate since it cannot detect the shape. So we have to scan one more to let the strawberry to stand. So I click back to the scan. Then to make one more time, I'm going to use a blue tag. Right, so I scan in that way. Then I click scan to let it start. So for this time, we need to make it go a few rounds. Just because of some details parts, it cannot fully scan just by one round. So just need to be patient and wait for a while. Then click complete. For this round, you also need to go through the fusion process. Then click advanced to apply just on the third scan. Within 1 minute, it is going to settle the point cloud. Just wait for a while. Right, now it's almost done. We are going to delete the unnecessary parts like just now. Just click. Just left the bottom parts. And I'm going to cut it off like this. Press delete. Now, quite awesome. Next, I click merge again to try to select 3 of them together. Then click preview the alignment. Alright, now you can see for this time everything merged properly. You can just click generate model. It is going to generate a new merge point cloud. Then click mesh, select the latest ones. Then next, click the mesh, the whole filling, just make it auto and apply it. It is going to generate a 3D mesh. Done. Once done this part, next click the texture to let it generate the material texture. Apply. You also need to just have a minute. Alright, this strawberry is quite good. Smell nice. Alright, now you can see the 3D mesh with material texture is already generated. Now you can export this as OBJ, which you can use it in any of your 3D software. And this is just a little bit of the blue tag that stick on my strawberry just now. It doesn't matter. It's okay. Later you still can use the 3D modeling software to just rub it, edit it. Alright, now what I need to do is just click here, the triple dot, export texture model. Then I'm going to export it on my desktop. I'm going to name this as, alright, I select the OBJ, name this as strawberry01. Then I click save. It is going to export as OBJ file. Then done. This is the OBJ file, which is universal for any of your 3D software, like the Blender. Now you can see this is the material texture. The material texture is at here. Then this is the 3D model. I double click the OBJ. It is going to open by using the Microsoft 3D Viewer in Microsoft Windows 10. Of course, this OBJ, if you want to import it into Blender, I'm going to show you. The Blender is one of the universal software which you can just convert it to FBX with the proper scale. I press A and press delete to delete everything. Now in Blender, for all of these grids are 1 meter. 1 meter, so while you import your OBJ from the desktop, you need to click and make the scale is 0.001. Alright, then click import wavefront. Now you can see it already imported with proper scale. This is 1 meter and this is exactly the exact size of the strawberry. Of course, first you have to just click here to make sure you move the pivot point. Control full stop, drag it again to the center, control full stop again. Then just make the Y back to 0 and press enter. The rotation, just make it 0. Now, like this. So click X, click and make sure you rotate it like this. Then, again, Control A or transform. Then again, press negative Y to make sure you rotate it properly. Then, move it up like this. Then, Control full stop, change the pivot point to the origin. Then Control full stop again. Then, press A, Control A, or transform. Done. So now, you already have this 3D model. You can export it as FBX. And first, I'm going to just save as the Blender file. Strawberry01, save as a blend file, then export as FBX file, and make sure the material texture is embedded. This is the setting. So now I export the FBX. Now this FBX is already the final 3D model, which is the real size, the real scale of the strawberry. You can import this 3D model into any other 3D software like the Unreal Engine, iClone, Unity, etc. for your 3D animation, for your game developing as well. Alright, that's all for today about my tutorials on how to scan the real strawberry, this real strawberry, into your computer to make it become a 3D model. And this is really a yummy strawberry. I'm going to eat it. That's all for today. Thank you for watching. If you love my videos, tutorials, or sharings, if you feel all these tutorials or sharings are very helpful to your 3D modeling, 3D animations, and 3D game developing, you can subscribe to my YouTube channel and also turn on the mini bell and select all so that when next time I publish a new videos, tutorials, or sharings, you'll receive a notification immediately. See you in my next video. Enjoy! Happy 3D modeling, 3D animations, and 3D game developing. See you!